Hello there, my friend. From Desti Travel Guide, your comprehensive worldwide travel resource, once again, welcome. Make sure to click the bell and subscribe if you're a new visitor so you don't miss any of our interesting travel-related content. Greetings from Costa Rica, a nation of great natural beauty and natural wonders. Each visitor may have a distinct time in Costa Rica, from its sun-kissed beaches to its enigmatic cloud forests. Join us as we explore 7 of this intriguing nation's must-see tourist destinations. Cloud Forest Reserve in Monteverde. Visit the Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve and discover a universe of dreamy beauty. This mystical forest offers visitors a chance to fully take in the beauty of nature. It is home to an amazing variety of flora and animals, including playful monkeys and elusive quetzal birds. National Park of Arenal Volcano. Look at the beautiful Arenal Volcano, an iconic attraction in Costa Rica. Surrounded by lush tropical forests and natural hot springs, this gorgeous location welcomes adventurous tourists to walk its routes, rest in its thermal spas, and witness the power of nature up close. Parque Nacional Manuel Antonio. Go Manuel Antonio National Park if you're searching for sun, beach and animals. Its coastal paradise offers the ideal combination of joy and leisure with its beautiful beaches, abundance of animals and beautiful hiking routes. The National Park of Tortuguero. Enjoy a tour of Tortuguero National Park, the Amazon of Costa Rica. This secluded area that can only be accessed by boat or planes is an oasis for sea turtle nesting sites, colorful birds and unique wildlife, making it an essential stop for fans of the outdoor globe. The National Park of Corcovado. Discover the wild beauty of Corcovado National Park, regarded as one of the planet's most biodiverse places. Hiking, birdwatching, and wildlife spotting are all made possible by this isolated surroundings, featuring pristine shores and animal-rich forests. old port of Talamanca. Explore the Caribbean coast of Costa Rica's lively coastal town, Puerto Viejo de Talamanca, for its laid-back appeal. World-class surfing, delectable Caribbean nourishment, and a reggae-infused environment make Puerto Viejo a pleasant spot for tourists to relax while enjoying the pura vida lifestyle. Waterfall, La Fortuna. Visit the magnificent La Fortuna waterfall to round off your Costa Rican trip. This breathtaking waterfall, which falls into a crystalline pool in the heart of the rainforest near to the Arenal Volcano, provides travelers with a cool refuge in the midst of the amazing nature globe. With its sun-drenched beaches and hazy cloud forests, Costa Rica enthralls tourists with its biodiversity and natural splendor. Take a look at these 7 captivating locations to plan your next journey and discover the allure of Pura Vida for yourself. Ensure to leave an observation on where you plan to go next.